The best home remedies for sinusitis. A sinus infection occurs when the tissue in the sinuses swells up. This leads to a buildup of mucus, pain, and discomfort. A sinus infection has similar symptoms to a common cold. The big difference between the two is how long those symptoms linger. Sinusitis symptoms typically last no longer than 10 days. Chronic sinusitis can last for 12 weeks or longer. Sinus infections almost always get better on their own. Antibiotics won't help a sinus infection caused by a virus or an airborne irritation, like secondhand smoke. But there are some things you can do to try to speed up the recovery process. Number 1. Stay hydrated. There are many causes of sinus congestion, from allergies to irritants to structural problems inside the nose. Medicines and sometimes surgery are necessary to treat some kinds of sinus congestion. But there are lots of things you can try at home to ease the stuffiness and find relief. One of the most important things is staying hydrated. Drinking plenty of fluids thins mucus and keeps it moving. Water is the best choice, but you can also choose sports drinks, juice, and caffeine-free teas. Avoid dehydrating drinks, including caffeinated and alcoholic beverages. Number 2. Eat chicken soup. Eating chicken soup does double duty for sinus congestion. The broth provides extra fluid to keep you hydrated. And the soup itself has benefits. Chicken soup contains cysteine, an amino acid that thins mucus. What's more, research suggests that chicken soup blocks inflammatory cells called neutrophils. These cells contribute to congestion in viral infections, such as a cold or the flu. Number 3. Use humidity. Adding moisture to the air you breathe can ease sinus congestion. You can use the humidity of a hot shower to open your sinuses. And follow it by using a humidifier. There are 2 humidifier options, cool mist or hot steam. A vaporizer is another name for the hot steam version. They both effectively add moisture to the air. The choice is largely personal preference, but consider the safety of a cool mist humidifier for children. It eliminates the risk of burns from vaporizer steam. 4. Flush your sinuses. Sinus flushing is a bit time-consuming and takes some getting used to. But recent research suggests it is effective for relieving sinus congestion. Neti pots and sinus rinse bottles are 2 popular choices for flushing the sinuses. These devices irrigate the sinuses with sterile saline water and wash out mucus, debris, viruses and bacteria. Always use sterile, distilled or boiled water to make the salt solution. And follow the package instructions for thorough cleaning. Contaminated water or irrigation devices can cause nasal and sinus infections. 5. Spray saline. Saline nasal sprays are another way to get moisture into the nose. These sprays help thin the mucus in your nasal passages and reduce inflammation. They also soothe dry, irritated nasal linings. Saline sprays or drops are the best choice for babies and children with sinus congestion. They are safer than decongestant nasal sprays for pediatric patients. 6. Add spices. Cooking and eating certain spices may help clear your sinuses. This includes onions, garlic, ginger, and cayenne pepper. When onions make you cry, they're helping drain your sinuses. They also contain a substance resembling an antihistamine. Garlic and ginger contain substances that may act to reduce inflammation. And the capsaicin, a compound found in peppers that makes them hot, cayenne peppers may work to thin mucus and open sinus passages. Aromatic vapors from menthol, eucalyptus and peppermint will also open your sinuses. They're available in oils, teas and cough drops. 7. Apply heat or cold. Applying heat or cold to your nose and face can be soothing when you're suffering with sinus congestion. Using a washcloth soaked in either warm or cool water is the simplest method. But you can also use freezer packs, microwave packs, or rubber hot water bottles. And the choice of heat or cold is yours to make. So choose the one that feels soothing to you. Just make sure the temperature won't burn or freeze your skin. 8. Prop pillows. Most people find sinus congestion is worse when they are lying down. If this is the case for you, prop your upper body while you're in bed. Even elevating your head slightly can help. An extra pillow may be all that's necessary to get the rest you need. Also, see if congestion is worse on one side versus the other. If so, try to spend most of your night on the easier side. 9. Eat foods with antibacterial properties. To fight the virus, add antibacterial foods like garlic, ginger, and onions to your meals. You can also try drinking ginger tea. Add raw honey for an extra boost. Honey is packed with antioxidants and has antibacterial and antifungal properties. 10. Use a neti pot. Nasal irrigation is a process often used to ease the symptoms of sinusitis. According to recent research, using a neti pot with a saline solution can get rid of some symptoms of chronic sinusitis. Follow the directions supplied with your specific neti pot. Here are general directions. Fill the pot with the saline solution. Incline your head over the sink at a 45-degree angle. Insert the spout of the pot into your top nostril. Carefully pour the saline solution down that nostril. Repeat the process with the other nostril. Be careful to sanitize your neti pot after every use. Only use distilled water. Water straight from the sink may have contaminants, like bacteria or parasites, which could make your condition worse. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.